Factoring is the sale of accounts receivable. Once an invoice is complete after a service has been completed or goods delivered and accepted, a company can sell this asset to a factoring company in exchange for cash. The factoring company then waits the time that the debtor takes to pay that invoice. In exchange, the seller of the receivable pays a factoring fee for this service. There is no debt to repay since the company is selling an asset of the business. When the transaction is non-recourse, there is no obligation from the seller to the factor. Non-recourse is when the factor credit approves the debtor so that if the debtor becomes insolvent or bankrupt, the factor takes the loss and not the seller.